In this video, we will be demonstrating how to repair and protect a damaged leading edge of a wind turbine blade with Belzona. For this repair, we use Belzona 1121 to rebuild the leading edge and Belzona 1341 to protect the blade from future damage. First, we sanded down the damaged area and removed the remaining coating and all the loose particles. Then, using an MBX bristle blaster, we cleaned the entire repair area, removed the dust with a brush, and degreased the area to remove all surface contaminants. We mixed Belzona 1121 until a uniform material was achieved. A layer of Belzona 1121 was firmly applied to the prepared surface of the blade using a short bristle brush. Next, an applicator was used to obtain a smooth finish. The excess product was carefully removed with a pre-formed mold. A smaller form was used to smooth out the blade's leading edge. Then, we mixed Belzona 1341 until a uniform color was achieved. A layer of the mixed Belzona 1341 was applied on top of the cured Belzona 1121. Using a thickness gauge, we measured the thickness of the Belzona 1341 coat to ensure it was applied evenly within the recommended parameters.